Hello everyone, welcome back to another Honest Play video. Today we will be looking at a new game I got on Steam for $21 and it is called Teardown. Now this game is about wrecking and destroying things. Now I just advise you guys not to do anything in this like this in real life. There's obviously a warning before the game actually starts. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video. So let's get started. So I'm just gonna do Sandbox because campaign's a bit boring. So I've unlocked all these levels. So we're just gonna go into one of them and let's get started. Alright, so there. So Mariana, I've played this before. It's basically like a factory. And I really love this level because yeah. Oh yeah, by the way, it is pixelated, so I just wanted to tell you guys that. Also, I unlocked a pipe bomb. And the tree's dead. Yep, it's dead. Alright. So, this is a truck. Boom. So you can literally just destroy stuff for the fun of it. Which is really, cool. I'm actually glad they managed to, this must have taken a lot to make. This game seems pretty advanced to me, even if it's just cubes. Alright, so one thing people have trouble with on this level is like getting up. Like, one thing people like doing is they use their blowtorch. Blowtorch a hole into the gate. Which takes a while actually, but yeah. And some people haven't unlocked the blowtorch yet, but by the time this level gets unlocked, you would have already, I guess. Well, if you haven't unlocked it, then you can just climb up here. Anyway, so you can destroy stuff, blah blah blah. Let's have some fun with this, guys. So I'm just gonna use like a plastic bomb. It's like a C4, guys. Oh yeah, one thing you can do with the blowtorch. Oh wait, nope. I accidentally caused the fire. I like the physics too. Like, I mean, why not? This place is one of my favorite places to do this stuff. Like, if you just wanna, like, this game, if you just feel like destroying someone, like, destroying something, sorry, don't destroy anyone, thank you very much, guys. You can just start this game up. You can just buy it on Steam, and, you can just buy it on Steam and start playing, because it's a really fun game, especially because it has the intention of destroying something. Because this is wasting too much of my time. There you go. I want to destroy something. Oh! What's that up there? Wait, guys, is that like an Easter egg? Oh, this is a truck? Cool. Just gonna break into the front. Okay, well, I pretty much would have died. Like, if this thing has like deaths and stuff, yeah, I pretty much would. You can die, but I would have died if. Also, there's classic guns too, so that's cool. I'm not sure what they're for because there's like no humans, but still it's really cool. I never knew. I think there's there's a shotgun. Okay. I feel like it's better to use the blowtorch because you have more control over it. But I like using the classic sledgehammer. It can't destroy metal, it can only destroy like wood or plastic, but I still enjoy using it, especially because it's the classic tool. Because it's this tool you start off with. Okay, let's break into the products, guys. No product in here. No product in here. No product in here. Oh yeah, this is so fun. I'm not sure what I'm doing, but this is just so entertaining. Oh no, that nearly killed me. Oh, that box is still safe. Why don't we make that new thing? Ah, my lucky pipe bomb. Using this tool. Well, it's not really a tool, I guess, but still, it's really fun to use. Also, I like doing this, like breaking the pipes, you know. I break the pipes because, why don't we just try do this? Ah, there you go. Or maybe we can use a gun. Yeah, that does something. Yeah. No, I'm just gonna blowtorch it in half and then sell the scraps. I'm just kidding. You can't sell stuff in this game, guys. But you can carry stuff, so you can like yay. Oh, you can destroy stuff with stuff. I never actually knew that. Like literally a bit of it left, so why don't I use this other piece I cut? You're gonna break this thing down. Ah! Okay, no. It's not gonna do anything, guys. Whoa! Whoa! Alright, so this map is really fun. There are a few flaws here and there that I don't really like about this map. So now we're just going to try explore around this map. Oh, I see what's going on here. Okay. Secret lab experiment. Do not touch. Oh, high voltage electricity. No trespassing. Okay, let's see. No sign says anything. Oh wait, no. No sign says anything about no trespassing. Why don't I just come in, you know, for the fun of it? What's this? High voltage equipment. Should have said that before I got in. Let's see. How do I break this door down? Yeah, how do I pull this door out? Oh, I know. Easy. Okay, so nobody knows I'm in here. I wonder what this is. Looks interesting. Well, too bad. Ah, fun. using this one better because its range is farther. See whether I can shoot this guy. Yo! Yay. Alright. Now let's explore. Now, apparently you can visit that house. And it's very cool too. So let's do this. BT stands for what? Baby teeth? Okay. Let's chop down the street. Timber bang. Okay. Gubgrew. Hey, I'm Gubgrew. What would you like today? Alright, my sunglasses. What are you doing to them? Oh, my shot. You're paying for all of this, you know? What the... Wow, you got a shotgun? Not just that. You ruined my billboard. How dare you? You ruined my sign. Oh, target practice. No! That was my auntie's present to me. Okay, well, I'm breaking in now. Wait, watch. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's on fire. It's on fire. Oh crap. Oh crap. I gotta get out of here. Runs out alive. Okay, I'm pretty much... My shop is pretty much gone. There you go. Now it's sprint. Let's see, what other houses are there that I can destroy? Oh, that one. This one looks like a really expensive house. That was literally a fire going on there. This house looks expensive. Wait, this is not even a house. Forget that, I'm gonna set this on fire. There you go. I'm gonna set this on fire, because why not? This is Teardown, right? I'm gonna shoot this, why not? Okay, now that's gonna set a fire. There you go. Oh yeah, one more thing. That's the main support. There you go. Okay, now this is the expensive house I'm talking about. Let's just destroy this and set this on fire. Tree fire! Oh, I didn't even know you could go to this area. FBI, open up! I thought that was a TV, but that works too. Hey, FBI, open up. Are you guys seeing this? I literally destroyed this little house here. I actually didn't know you could go to this region. I mean... Oh, this is his closet. Not a closet anymore. Let's see. Rah! Okay, something. Well, whoever lives here, I'm really sorry, but this is just Teardown, so technically you can't boss me around. It's a really nice house, though. I like the house designs. At least that's good. Oh, the eating area. Bang, bang. Yeah! Another one of those paintings, eh? Oh, I didn't even know there was another painting here. Oh, cool. Rah! paintings obviously cost a lot. Nice windows. Well, they're not windows anymore technically. They're just sills. Oh, this house doesn't even have any bricks. I'm surprised. I want to stop the connection of electricity so that if this guy wanted to call the cops, he couldn't even. I'm just going to destroy this car so he can't go to the cops. See. Spray can. I'm just going to spray can all over his car. Let's see. I'm going to shove a pipe bomb into his car. Boom. He can't go anywhere now. And yeah, maybe I shouldn't stand that close. Boom. Oh, and it just blew a hole right into his house. What? You can literally break all the way upstairs. Wasn't the house yet? Cool. Let's check it. Yeah, we don't need that sign. Yeah. Goodbye, buoy. Ooh. Just water there. Ah, nice cabins. To be honest, I feel like whoever lived there was the owner of all of this. It's a really nice cabin. Let's destroy all of this. What? It's right over water. What the hell? Okay, well, destroy. So I really don't want to get into water. Wait, are they all the same? Oh, they're all the same. Get in the water. That works too. Oh my god, they're all the same design. Okay, well, this is a really huge area. It's fun to destroy. Hey. See, is there a way through here? Ow, crud. Yep. But I already destroyed all of this. So yeah, just bye-bye to this house. I'm gonna block electricity connection too. Oh wait, no, that was not. Okay, who cares? And all vehicles in this region, even if he tries to take some other vehicle, I'm just gonna shove a pipe. Ow! I probably should not have done that. Set this truck on fire. There you go. Alright. Now. So if you wanted to stay at this house, you could. Oh no, I died. Alright guys, well, that is this map. Like, there are tons of other maps you can play, like Villa Gordon, Nevertides, Hollowwork, and Frustrum. Frustrum is the biggest one, it's like a whole town. So we got Villa Gordon, let's go there. Okay, now this is a whole house. Look, I mean, there's everything to do here. This is like a rich man's house. I don't think just a rich man's house. This is literally a luxury home. Okay, I mean, look at this. And the best part is it's everything to destroy. All you can destroy. Ooh, free chair. Ooh! Okay, let's get in, guys. What? I never said I'd get in properly, guys. Alright, let's see what's in here. Oh, very nice, very nice. Ooh la la. This is nice, actually. Too bad it's gonna all be destroyed. Yeah, I guess it's a fish. Okay. Oh! Man, I've always wanted one of these. Like, you know how like there's a table and there's a whole bunch of plants there? Sorry. Like, I always wonder whether like it overgrows over the table. Wait, what? They even have their own freezer here. Like, I mean, this house is like everybody's dream, right? Whoa, self-opening door. Oh, this is really cool. Look, I mean, look. It's got a nice view even. Dude, this is so cool. Anyway, what's this? What's this supposed to be? Yeah, I'm not really sure. I don't care if it's art. Okay. Whoa. I'm gonna destroy all his plants. And I forgot I even had this. It's literally ruining his paintwork. What? Oh, this house is really secure. You guys have an idea. Alright, target practice. Bullseye. And destroy everything else, because why not? Whee! Ow. Okay. What is this? Yeah. Hey guys, I'm creating flora art. Let's have some fun with this. So I want to destroy the vehicle and the window. So I'm just gonna destroy the window and drive the vehicle to the easy. Okay, goodbye. So let's see what else is in this house. I love the smell of good old flowers. Oh, what's this? Oh, it looks like the security guard station. Ah, nice. Hey, broken security guard. Ow. No. Yeah, I didn't mean to do that. I'm just gonna test my driving skills here, guys. Okay guys, well that was fun. Alright guys, I'm gonna have to end the video soon actually, because there's this other region of the house that I really want you guys to see here. So look, I'm pretty sure this is like the dining area, and then there's all this kitchen stuff. I don't know why. And there's all this, I'm just gonna throw this out the window because I really hate this chair design. Yep, Just throw all these out the window. There's a lot of windows, to be honest. And I really think he doesn't need that many. Well, if it's a he. What's this? Oh, the table seems light. Why don't we throw that out the window too? Yeah, I don't think we can. Oh well. And the walls are secure as well. Alright guys, I'm gonna have to end the video here. I hope you enjoyed and see you in the next video. Bye.